In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new assignment for quarter one in a year-long class to ensure that it's set up correctly for a rolling gradebook. So hover over Gradebook and you can click on New Assignment. We'll go ahead and put in our standards-based title. And please make sure to select a due date. This will be a guide for students and families to know when the assignment is due and when is a reasonable time to complete it, just so that we can start building those skills. Quizzes. All right. And so you'll notice that points is already populated to 1. Please leave that alone. All assignments will have 1 in the points box. The max score box is where you're adjusting to put in the score that a student can earn, and then you'll adjust based on that. So score, you change. Points, you don't change. Scroll down and click on Sections. Here you'll pick what other classes also have this assignment, and then click on the Grading Periods tab. This is where we're making it a rolling gradebook assignment. The assignments need to count for first, the current, and all future quarters. So we're going to check off first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Once you've selected all of those, click Save.